Shit. Something out there. Me have to move. Bumbo clot. My heart nearly leg out my chest, star. Think of Babylon, but I cry. You know, star, me not sign up for this tonight. Me have to make a little fire to calm my nerves. Bush no normal tonight.
Yo, Bigfoot, me reach pon the countryside Babylon like the weed field to rascal.
Pay the bumbo. Me just get a call from Clyde. Him say Babylon just like me blood clot weed field pan fire. Dirty stinking Babylon them really burn down me bumbo clot herbs. Beer fuckery them the pan.
Nick versus Clay.
Clyde. This is how Bigfoot make him run. I mash up my own cane, me have my own recipe, and me drink it fresh, straight from the bush. Clyde. I have this spot locked down so good, even government GPS can't find it. I make my own rum here pit. No tax, no problem, and my belly full for free. Shut! This is rum strong like true lion bite, but sweet for soul.
Detector beeping, hearts are breaking, truth unlocked, no faking. Nick throws a tablet, glass and flight.